In its prime, from the 12th to 14th century, Mount Nachi was hallowed ground. Part of Kumano-Kodo, an ancient road, can still be seen on Daimonzaka slope. As we follow it, we can almost hear the labored breathing of the pilgrims as they toiled upwards. The throngs of people visiting Kumano in its prime formed an endless line and were called a procession of ants visiting Kumano. At the end of the very long journey from the capital, they would be rewarded by the sight of the great waterfall of Nachi, healing their weariness as the fresh water slaked their thirst. In ancient times, the waterfall was worshipped as a deity. Why did people in those ancient times make a long and painful journey on foot just to see a waterfall? The question fades away at the sight of it, and before we know it, we too are putting our hands together in prayer. The nearest station, Nachikatsuura, is 3 hours 43 minutes from Osaka and 3 hours and 21 minutes from Nagoya by JR.